Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love gadgets as much as I do, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm counting down the top 12 coolest gadgets all available on Amazon right now. From smart tech to unique accessories, these picks are perfect for gift ideas or just treating yourself. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's jump right in. 12. Touch Screen Portable Monitor. A touch screen portable monitor is a versatile and compact display solution designed for users who need extra screen space on the go. These monitors offer the convenience of a lightweight, slim design that can easily be carried in a backpack or laptop bag, making them ideal for remote work, travel, presentations, and multitasking. With full HD or even 4K resolution options, they provide sharp visuals and vibrant colors that enhance productivity and entertainment alike. The touch functionality allows users to interact directly with the screen, similar to a tablet or smartphone, offering intuitive control for tasks like drawing, editing, or navigation. Most models are compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, smartphones, gaming consoles, and cameras. 11. NWM MBE001 Earphones. The NWM MBE001 wireless on-ear speakers, developed by NTT Sonority, a subsidiary of Japan's NTT Corporation, represent a significant advancement in open-ear audio technology. These earphones are designed to provide a comfortable and immersive listening experience while keeping users aware of their surroundings. A standout feature of the MBE001 is NTT's proprietary Personalized Sound Zone PSZ technology. This innovation minimizes sound leakage, allowing users to enjoy private audio in public spaces without disturbing others. The open-ear design ensures that users can hear ambient sounds and conversations. 10. Nua Pen. The Nua Pen is a groundbreaking smart pen that seamlessly combines the traditional experience of handwriting with the efficiency of digital technology. Unlike typical styluses or digital pens that require special paper or screens, the Nua Pen uses 3 built-in cameras and advanced motion sensors to track your writing on any standard paper. It digitizes your handwritten notes in real time, allowing you to store, search, and share them through the companion Nua Plus app. This makes it a powerful tool for students, professionals, and creatives who prefer the natural feel of pen on paper but need the convenience of digital organization. The pen uses standard D1 ink cartridges, making refills easy and affordable. It features a rechargeable battery. 9. FlexTail Tiny Repel. The FlexTail Tiny Repel is a versatile 3-in-1 device designed for outdoor enthusiasts, just 5.3 ounces, 151 g, and measuring 1.4x, 1.4x, 5.7 inches. It's engineered for backpackers, campers, and travelers who value lightweight gear. The built-in lantern provides adjustable brightness levels of 50, 200, and 400 lumens, with a maximum runtime of 40 hours on the lowest setting. It also features a breathing meditation mode, gradually changing light to guide deep breathing, enhancing relaxation during outdoor activities. Equipped with a 17.51 battery, the Tiny Repel can function as a power bank. 8. Levoit Air Purifier for Home Bedroom. The Levoit Air Purifier for Home Bedroom is a compact yet powerful device designed to improve indoor air quality, especially in personal spaces like bedrooms, nurseries, and small living areas. Equipped with a 3-stage filtration system, including a pre-filter, true HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter, it effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles, such as dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and odors. This makes it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers, pet owners, and anyone seeking cleaner, fresher air. Models like the Levoit Core 300 or Core 200S. 7. ViewSonic M2e. The ViewSonic M2e is a compact and feature-rich portable projector designed to deliver high-quality visuals and audio in a variety of settings. Weighing just 1.0 kilograms, 2.2 pounds, and measuring 184x, 184 by 54 mm, it is ultra-portable, making it ideal for both home entertainment and on-the-go presentations. equipped with a native Full HD 1920x 1080 resolution and a brightness of 1000 LED lumens. The M2E ensures crisp and vibrant images. Its Cinema Super Color Plus technology delivers 125% Rec. 6. Gadox Verso M2. The Gadox Verso M2 is a professional-grade two-person wireless microphone system designed for content creators, vloggers, filmmakers, and interviewers who demand high-quality audio in a compact and easy-to-use package. Operating on a 2.4 GHz digital frequency, the system provides a stable connection with a range of up to 200 meters, allowing users to capture clear audio even in wide or dynamic shooting environments. The set includes two compact transmitters with built-in omnidirectional microphones and a dual-channel receiver, enabling simultaneous recording from two audio sources. Each transmitter supports onboard recording via a microSD card up to 256 GB, ensuring backup audio is safely stored. The system delivers excellent sound fidelity with a 50 Hz, 18 kHz frequency response, and a high signal-to-noise ratio. 5. Notera Wedge Desk. The Notera Wedge Desk is a sleek and practical desk accessory designed to boost organization and productivity in both home and office settings. It features a premium tempered glass dry erase surface that provides a smooth, easy-to-clean writing area, perfect for jotting down notes, reminders, or to-do lists without the mess of paper. Beneath this writing surface, there is a spacious storage compartment ideal for keeping pens, paper clips, and other small office supplies neatly tucked away, helping to maintain a clutter-free workspace. The Wedge Desk also includes a convenient slot to hold mobile devices, keeping phones or tablets within easy reach and view while working. 4. Plod AI Recorder. The Plod AI Recorder is a compact AI-powered voice recorder designed to enhance productivity by transcribing and summarizing conversations, meetings, and lectures. Weighing just 30 grams and featuring a slim aluminum alloy build, it boasts 64 GB of storage, allowing for up to 480 hours of recording. Its dual-mode recording system includes MEMS microphones for ambient sounds and a vibration conduction sensor VCS for internal phone recordings, ensuring clear audio capture in various environments. Powered by GPT-4 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the Plod AI Recorder supports transcription in 112 languages and offers features like speaker labeling, audio trimming, and customizable summaries. The device connects via Bluetooth. 3. Garmin Venu 2 Plus Smartwatch. The Garmin Venu 2 Plus is a sophisticated smartwatch that perfectly balances advanced health and fitness tracking with smart connectivity features. It features a vibrant 1.3-inch AMOLED display, protected by durable Gorilla Glass, ensuring clear visuals and lasting durability. Lightweight and comfortable, the watch comes with interchangeable silicone bands, suitable for all-day wear. The Venu 2 Plus offers an impressive battery life, lasting up to 9 days in smartwatch mode, and providing extended use even with GPS and music playback. It supports over 25 built-in sports apps, and delivers comprehensive health monitoring, including heart rate tracking, pulse ox, stress levels, sleep analysis, and body battery energy monitoring. 2. Norde Sienna Smart Backpack. The Norde Sienna Smart Backpack is a sleek and practical choice for urban commuters, travelers, and professionals who value both style and organization. Its minimalist design conceals a highly functional interior with multiple compartments that help keep belongings neat and accessible. A dedicated padded laptop sleeve protects devices up to 15.6 inches, while RFID blocking pockets safeguard personal information from digital theft, making it an excellent choice for tech-savvy users. The backpack also features an integrated USB charging port, allowing you to conveniently charge your devices on the go, power bank not included. Comfort is a priority with padded, adjustable shoulder straps and a breathable back panel that reduce strain during extended wear. The backpack's compact size makes it perfect for daily commuting, business trips, or short getaways, combining versatility with style. Constructed with water-resistant materials. 1. Unit 1 Faro Smart Helmet. The Unit 1 Faro Smart Helmet is an innovative urban cycling helmet designed to combine advanced safety features with modern smart technology. Equipped with the Multi-Directional Impact Protection System MIPS, it helps reduce rotational forces during impacts, enhancing rider safety. The helmet features powerful front and rear lights, including vibrant RGB LEDs that act as turn signals and can display customizable animations. And there you have it, the top 12 coolest gadgets all available on Amazon right now. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.